How we doing, everybody? Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Take a look at this Blue Beauty 1979 Pontiac Trans Am. Power front disc brakes, 400 well-built cammed engine, automatic transmission, power windows, honeycomb wheels all the way around. Body is in real good shape. We're going to go through it. There is a few flaws. You're going to know exactly what they are. Really nice running car. I just got done driving it. I had it all the way down to the floor and it was perking in second gear, shifting well, handles well, all your lights are working, all the gauges are working the way they should. Just a nice, solid car that needs a little bit of work to make it into a real winner. But it's also priced right too. So you have plenty of time to work on it and drive it. Look at how nice this is. Trunk is great. You got original quarters. Another original quarter here, stamped. All your weather stripper in the trunk is good. All your glass around the car is in good shape. Look how nice it is. White interior. Back seat has the seat belts. Deck is good, nice and tight on the headliner. No cracks whatsoever in the dash pad. Automatic. Carpets are good. All original down there. You got one little molding here you're gonna have to replace where it rolls down. It's got aged a little bit, little stuff. Great color combination. We could call it the Greek flag. Blue and white. That's for you, Pete. Body straight. Down there. Front nose is in great shape. Grill's in good shape. Engine was freshly done. Nice 400 in there. Air-conditioned car. All your belts and hoses look good. Nothing that I could see is out of line. Nicely done inside here. Power brakes, power steering. All your wires look good. Carb is tuned really nice. It starts up nice and easy. Bird's fine. Lines up good. This side you're gonna have to redo the hinge or the latch right here. It's sticking up a little bit. Shouldn't be a hard fix, but you got to get it done when you're ready. Doesn't stop the car. Honeycomb wheels. Front fender's in great shape. Let's see how she lines up. Lines up the way it should. Right gap all the way through. Original quarters and door lines up the way it should. Nothing on the roof. Rear quarter in good shape. No paint flaws that I'm seeing anybody. Trunk lid in good shape. Rear quarter. Got one little touch up here that's been touched up, but once I get off it, there it is, it's gone. So 2 feet. Quarter lines up to the door the way it should, and it's gapped properly. And the door to the fender, same thing. And the body paint is good all the way throughout. All the way throughout. Nice car. Needs a few things, but what doesn't? They all need something. Tilt steering wheel, power windows, radio. cammed out engine. Tires have plenty of tread. I've taken pictures of the underneath. I'll send them up as well. I'll take a look at it. I hear a little noise coming from here. Probably coming out of the manifold or something, but not a big deal. I'll look at it. Nice car. If you're looking to do some financing with us, and you're anywhere from a 639 to a 739, go directly to our website, mgmclassiccars.com. That's mgmclassiccars.com. Find the car, hit apply now, 10% down, up to 84 months. If you're a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Sometimes no money down. Again, up to 84 months. Approvals within 24 hours. I've got over 100 cars in inventory, ready for immediate delivery. We ship all over the United States, bonded and insured, enclosed and open transport. If you have any questions on any of our cars, need quotes on shipping, please go to our website first. Check out all the pictures, videos, description. Call me or text me. I will get you quotes on shipping or answer your questions on your cars at 773-600-0919. My name is Earl. That's 773-600-0919. We're located in Addison, Illinois, 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. Monday through Friday from 9 to 5, Saturday from 10 to 2, by appointment only. Repeat, by appointment only. So please reach out to me at 773-600-0919. We'll get you in, spend some time with the car, figure it all out, and hopefully get that home with you. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and thanks so much for spending a few minutes on this 1979 Pontiac Trans Am. Hope you're all enjoying your day. You'll see me soon. Bye.